and the rest of the world is getting these dollars. And I think until recently, the view was, on the back of the Mexican crisis, the Asian crisis, the 2008 crisis, if you were Indonesia, Thailand, India, China, and you earn dollars, you thought, "Oh, I better keep hold of these dollars because I may need them tomorrow to fund my trade." And American banks are fickle. In a crisis, they move away from me, and so I better build big U.S. dollar reserves. And then all of a sudden, Russia invades Ukraine, and we find out that we ban Russia from using dollars and euros and Swiss francs and sterling, and we wait for Russia to collapse, for the Russian economy to collapse, and then it doesn't. Uh, Over the next following 3 years, what you see is that Russian trade with China goes up 3x, and Russian trade with South Africa, with Brazil, with India goes up 2x to 3x. So all of a sudden, people realize, "Oh, you know what? Maybe I don't need quite as many dollars to trade as I thought I did before." So the U.S. sends more dollars abroad than it ever has to a world that starts to question, what do I do with these excess dollars? Now, so far, what they've mostly done, what foreigners have mostly done, is take these dollars and recycle them into U.S. equities.